It's recording.
Why's your truck creeping? You silly.
What we say?
Get out of my room and stay out of it. I don't want y'all in here. I want to play here. Period. I told you, don't let me tell you no more. Play it. I'll keep it.
Bro, he mad. Stop. I want you to let the truck bring me my shoes.
All the truck can be out, baby.
Yeah, that's what I had thought when I first got out. Mama, you don't have to bring the food to you. Just put it on the truck. Bring the shoes. Fool, you dropped the shoes. You a horrible driver.
I'm good at living out better, cause I'm not looking. Bless you.
Hey, bring the shoes to me. Uh-oh, not to the wall. You had to tell me once again.
No, hold on, I ain't telling you. Go sit down.
You bump into something one more time. You fell.
Your truck fell me. It's not working.
It is. why would you put it right there?
Because I'm trying to get it out the zoo.
If you knew I had it in reverse, why would you put it right there?
I didn't know you had to reverse. Nigga, why not?
Bro, he pissing me off. Also, guys, this is the Spy remote control camera. All you need is some tape, a remote control car, and your phone
Or a tablet.
to spy on people, or a tablet, or a regular camera to spy on people.
Any device with
Oh yeah,
camera.
but this is Mason Williams. Follow me on my Musically.
And so Charlie Jackson.
And Mason hit the folks. Let's get it. Oh, and so Charlie Jackson. And this is my cousin, Sir Charlie Jackson, y'all. I'm sorry I didn't do this at the beginning of the video, but now you know who we are. I have a video on one of my friends riding their four-wheelers. If you'd just like to go to my channel and subscribe, it would be really
Great.
I would really appreciate that. Alright?
Oh yeah,
let's
and,
get it.
Hold up. And on some of his videos, I might not be here because
Because he's only here for the vacation.
Yeah.
Of Christmas.
yeah, sometimes I come over here like Thanksgiving. And sometimes just,
Also, guys, this is the second video for my channel, and I just decided this would be fun since I got my remote control car for Christmas.
and
I hope all of y'all having a wonderful time opening your presents. And I got some virtual reality goggles.
and actually, we like just turned YouTubers. So don't be hating on us. Don't be hating.
Don't be hating. This is our first time, bro. Like, for real. Oh, and it would be really awesome if you would go to my cousin's channel, Mahogany Wood, and subscribe to her. Shout out
Wood.
to
Mahogany
Hoggy.
Pruitt. That's my sister. Yeah, that's my sister.
No, that's a YouTube channel name.
No, it's my Majesty.
Bro.
Oh yeah.
Be
Oh,
quiet.
hold up. Let me ask them something.
No,
Do y'all know a rapper
no.
named Magnum TV?
Sorry guys, he's annoying. I might have to beat him up later. But
No,
shout out to Mahogany.
My sister.
Just subscribe, bruh. And let's get it. We finna be spying on some people.